Good morning, everybody. It is 9:07 and 30 seconds on June 22nd. This is the drawing for the Giant Size X-Men #1 raw copy that's signed by Mr. Cockrum, and also the X-Men 101 First Phoenix. Over here on the left-hand side are the 35 filled spots. I'm going to go up and down a few times just so that everybody can see that it's been filled out. Alright, so let's roll our 3 dice. The number is lucky 13. So I'm going to randomize 13 times. Name at the top of the list will get both books. I'm going to try my best to get it out in today's mail. Okay, so good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is the final one, 13, spot 10, Aaron Grant. Congratulations. Time is 9:08 and 52 seconds.